back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I colored this wig. So let me tell you guys, this wig is not a new wig, okay? I've reviewed this wig, even though you don't believe it, okay? So I reviewed this wig 5 months ago. I'm going to keep a picture over here. So yeah, it's the same wig, but the blonde was too much for my liking. Like, I couldn't wear the wig. So if I have wigs with me, I need to wear them for them to look cute on me and stuff like that. But that wig wasn't for me. I colored it with my favorite color, purple. I think it's pretty good. It's my first time coloring a wig. Obviously, as you guys can see, I cut the wig because summer is around the corner and ain't nobody got time for long hair. Not me. I don't have time for long hair, so I need something short, cute and easy to wear on. So that's why I did this, okay? So the contact lens I'm wearing today is from COLORCL.com. I'm wearing the Harry's Blossom collection and the color is purple because now we're in purple-ish. So this is the purple. I've worn the purple before in another video, but yeah. Before I forget, I flat ironed this wig with this flat iron over here. It's from duval.com. So I won't lie, okay? I won't lie to you guys. Like, this over here is almost $200. But I got a discount code for you girls out there, okay? So my discount code will take off 70%, okay? Like, this ain't a joke. This is not a joke. 70% off, so you can get this very, very cheap. And this flat iron is the bomb. I love this flat iron because it flat irons the hair really fast and it gets hot very fast, so you need to be careful. So I'll keep my discount code over here for you to get 70% off, okay? And also for the contact lenses, I'm also going to keep a discount code over here, which is GGLOW10, for you to get 10% off. So this one 70% off and this one right here 10% off, okay? So my cuties, thank you so much. If you want to know how I achieved this cute color, just keep watching. If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.
Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip.
And you showing off, but it's alright. And you showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life, yeah. Niggas, you gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand. You can say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I sweet him. I swear I've seen you before. Yeah. I wonder why you still install on this.
Regular, rub me butter,